What's up, Mavericks? Tax season is coming up quick, and if your books look like a junk drawer right now, don't panic. You can still get things cleaned up, dialed in, and ready for your accountant, and it's all less stressful than you think. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to get your books tax ready and how great accounting software like Xero can make the whole process way easier. When everything's organized and in one place, tax prep stops feeling chaotic and gets a lot more manageable. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Before you can categorize anything or run reports, you need every transaction in one place. If your books are out of sync, you can miss deductions or report income that doesn't match your actual real numbers. That means syncing all your business accounts, bank, credit cards, PayPal, Stripe, Square, whatever you use. The sooner everything's in one place, the sooner you can start cleaning it up. Xero makes that part extremely easy. You connect your accounts once and transactions start flowing in automatically every day. No more downloading CSV files, no more manual uploads. Once your transactions are in Xero, the next step, and the one that will save you the most tax season stress, is to categorize your expenses. When everything is properly categorized, your accountant can instantly identify deductible expenses, see what needs a second look, and spot any errors. Categorizing also helps you avoid the classic mistake of dumping everything into the miscellaneous category. Every transaction that comes in through your bank feed shows up under bank reconciliations, and all you do is match each one to the right category. Xero also auto-suggests categories to make it even easier. If it's correct, just click OK and you're done. Now, categorizing is one part of the puzzle, but reconciliation is the part that makes your books truly accurate. Reconciling means matching every bank transaction with what's recorded in your books. If something is missing, duplicated, or incorrect, catch it now, not right before your tax return is due. Xero makes reconciliation fast and simple. Just match the bank line on the left with the accounting line on the right. If they match, click OK and you're done. If not, you can fix it right there, and if there's no suggested match, you can manually match transactions with just a few clicks. If you want tax season to stop being a headache, keep your receipts and documents in one place where you can actually find them. The IRS may never ask for them, but if they do, you'll be glad you've got everything organized. With Xero, you can attach receipts or documents directly to transactions. You can also store files in the library with just a few clicks and upload images straight from your phone. Everything stays neat, organized, and ready for tax prep. Once everything is categorized, reconciled, and documented, you're ready to pull the two reports every accountant's going to ask you for: your profit and loss statement and your balance sheet. These two reports tell the full story: how much you made, how much you spent, what you own, and what you owe. When these reports are accurate, tax prep gets a whole lot easier. In Xero, you just click the reporting tab and select the report you want, adjust the dates, compare periods, or export it as a PDF or spreadsheet. Xero also gives you more advanced reporting options if you want a deeper look at your financial performance. And before you wrap up, do a quick final pass. Check for duplicate transactions. Make sure big purchases are recorded as assets, confirm loan balances and interests are correct, clean up anything in miscellaneous or uncategorized, match your 1099 contractors and verify their info, double check sales tax liability, and review owner draws and distributions. If anything looks off, fix it now. Again, not during tax season. Doing these things early can save you and your accountant a ton of time. And that's how you clean up your books and walk into tax season prepared. When your transactions are synced, categorized, reconciled, and backed with clean reports, a process most of us dread gets a whole lot easier. If you're ready to get your books under control and actually stay ahead of tax season this year, make sure you're getting the most out of your accounting software. Xero is a great place to start. It's clean, intuitive, and gives you the tools you need without overcomplicating anything. And because we love Xero and it genuinely does make the whole process easier, we partnered with them to hook you up with a solid discount. As of the time of this filming, you can get 90% off your first 6 months if you click the link in our description. Check it out and see how much easier tax prep gets when your books are actually organized. Thanks for watching, Mavericks, and I'll see you in the next video.